Check out 115 cool tools you must see. This video is packed with innovative tools and amazing inventions that make everyday tasks faster, easier, and more exciting. From powerful machines to smart problem solvers, these are tools you must see in action. Each one showcases creativity, precision, and modern design that will leave you impressed. Perfect for DIY lovers, professionals, or anyone who enjoys discovering unique ideas. This collection highlights the coolest tools that truly stand out. Product 1. Product name: 27-piece Griddle Accessories Kit. The 27-piece Griddle Accessories Kit for Blackstone is a comprehensive toolset designed to enhance your outdoor cooking experience, especially for flat-top grills like Blackstone, teppanyaki grills, and hibachi stations. Whether you're a weekend griller, backyard chef, or professional entertainer, this kit brings together essential tools that make griddling easier, more precise, and more enjoyable. What's included? This all-in-one kit features a wide range of professional-grade tools typically used for flat-top cooking, such as enlarged spatulas, ideal for flipping burgers, eggs, pancakes, and larger cuts of meat. The wider surface makes handling food easier and more efficient on a griddle surface. Basting cover helps trap heat and moisture for melting cheese, steaming vegetables, and finishing dishes perfectly. Burger press/patty maker creates uniform burger patties quickly and consistently, great for BBQs and busy cooking sessions. Additional accessories usually include scrapers, tongs, extra spatulas, forks, brushes, and serveware that together support almost every griddling task. Product 2. Product name: Channel Lock. The Channel Lock 48-inch professional-grade aluminum box level 5200 to 0048 is a heavy-duty spirit level designed for demanding construction, carpentry, and layout work. It's built to deliver precise, reliable performance in both professional and DIY settings. Key features: professional-grade accuracy. Offers a high level of precision with a tolerance of plus or minus 0.0005 inches per inch in all 10 working positions, helping ensure truly level and plumb results. Durable construction. Features a robust aluminum frame with precision-milled edges for long-lasting straightness and resistance to warping. Solid block acrylic vials. Uses solid block acrylic vials with high-contrast surrounds and a 300 degrees viewing center block vial, giving excellent readability from different angles on the job. Impact-resistant end caps. Fixed shock-absorbing end caps protect the level from drops and rough handling. Product 3. Product name: DeWalt Miter Saw. The DeWalt 12-inch double-bevel sliding compound miter saw, DWS 780, is a professional-grade power tool built for precision cutting in woodworking, carpentry, framing, and trim work, designed to deliver powerful performance, accuracy, and versatility. This model combines a robust 15-amp motor with a sliding double-bevel configuration that enables clean, controlled cuts in a wide range of materials. A key feature of this saw is its XPS LED shadow light system, which projects a shadow of the blade directly onto the workpiece, giving a clear cut line indication without the need for lasers or batteries. This improves visibility and reduces alignment guesswork, helping you make precise cuts consistently. The double bevel design allows you to tilt the blade both left and right up to approximately 49 degrees, making it easy to execute angled cuts without repositioning the workpiece. The sliding compound mechanism extends the cutting capacity, letting you handle wider boards and larger molding with ease. Product 4. Product name: 24-PC Brake Caliper Compression Tool Set. The Orion MotorTech 24-PC Brake Caliper Compression Tool Set is a comprehensive automotive toolkit designed to help you compress and rotate brake caliper pistons safely and efficiently during brake pad replacement and general brake servicing. Instead of improvising with clamps or makeshift tools, this set gives you the right components to handle piston retraction on a wide range of vehicles. What's in the set? This 24-piece kit typically includes 2 retaining plates, provide a solid surface to brace against the caliper, 2 thrust bolt assemblies, 1 right hand, 1 left hand, allow both pushback and windback piston operations, 18 disc adapters, a variety of shapes to fit many different piston faces, 2 brake caliper hangers, handy for hanging the caliper out of the way without stressing brake hoses, Product 5. Product name Fantic E1 Max Electric Screwdriver. The Fantic E1 Max Electric Screwdriver is a compact, cordless precision repair tool designed for tackling small screw tasks on electronics like phones, cameras, laptops, tablets, and watches. It blends ergonomic design with useful features that make delicate repair jobs more efficient and less tiring compared with purely manual screwdrivers. Key features and performance. Precision torque control. The E1 Max offers two adjustable torque settings, low, 0.05 Nm, and high, 0.2 Nrm, along with a manual mode that delivers up to 3 Nrm of torque when needed. These settings help you work carefully on delicate components without damaging them. Compact but powerful motor. Its built-in motor spins at up to 200 RPM, providing enough power for most small electronic screws. The screwdriver is powered by a rechargeable lithium battery, capable of driving hundreds of tiny screws on a single charge, and recharges conveniently via USB-C. Product 6. Product name Induction Heater. The Induction Heater 1300W110V is a compact, high-performance tool designed to simplify the removal of stubborn, rusted, or seized fasteners without open flames. Using advanced magnetic induction heating, it rapidly delivers focused heat directly to metal bolts, nuts, and screws, causing them to expand and break the bond of corrosion. This makes it an efficient and safer alternative to traditional torches, especially in confined or sensitive work areas. Equipped with 5 interchangeable coils, the handheld induction heater adapts easily to different fastener sizes and shapes, improving versatility across automotive repair, maintenance workshops, and industrial applications. Its 1,300-watt output ensures fast heat-up times, reducing labor effort and minimizing the risk of damage to surrounding components such as rubber hoses, wiring, or painted surfaces. The ergonomic red housing enhances portability and user comfort, making it suitable for prolonged use. Product 7. Product name Pitbull Cushion Grip Pliers Set. The GARWRENCH 5-piece Pitbull Cushion Grip Pliers Set, GWMSPLR01, is a professional-grade plier set designed for mechanics, technicians, and serious DIY users who need a versatile and durable assortment of hand tools. It combines strong performance with organized storage, making it a practical addition to a workshop or mechanic's toolbox. Set composition and storage. Includes 5 essential pliers, 7 diagonal cutting plier, 8 linesman plier, 8 long nose plier, 8 slip joint plier, 10 tongue and groove plier. Comes with a pre-cut foam storage tray, featuring high visibility size markings and custom cutouts to protect and organize. Product 8. Product name WorkPro 450-piece drive socket set. The WorkPro 450-piece drive socket set is a comprehensive mechanics toolkit designed for car repair, maintenance, and general mechanical work. It combines a wide range of sockets, ratchet wrenches, spanners, bits, and additional accessories in one organized set, making it suitable both for DIY enthusiasts and more experienced users. What's included? This extensive set brings together a large collection of tools covering 3 common drive sizes: drive ratchets, quick-release 1/4, 3/8, and 1/2 ratchet handles with a fine gear mechanism for smoother operation. Sockets. Hundreds of sockets in metric and imperial SAE sizes, including standard, deep, and specialty sockets. Bits and drivers. A variety of 1-inch S2 bits plus bit sockets and bit drivers covering popular screw head types. Wrenches. Combination wrenches and mini wrenches for tightening nuts and bolts where sockets aren't ideal. Product 9. Product name DeWalt DW089 LG Laser Level. DeWalt DW089 LG Laser Level 360 Self-Leveling 3-Way Green Laser Leveler Tool is a professional-grade laser layout tool designed for accurate 360 degrees leveling and alignment in construction, finishing, and interior build-out projects. It projects 3 full 360-degree green laser planes, 1 horizontal and 2 vertical, allowing you to cover walls, floors, and ceilings without multiple setups. Key features: 360 degrees laser coverage, projects 3 full circle green laser lines, 2 vertical and 1 horizontal, to provide complete planar reference for room layout, squaring, and alignment. Self-leveling. Built-in automatic self-leveling brings the tool to level within plus or minus 4 degrees. If the unit is significantly out of level, it alerts you to reposition. Green beam visibility. Uses green laser technology, which is more visible to the human eye than red, especially in indoor and bright environments, with up to 100 feet visible range and up to 165 feet with a detector. Product 10. Product name DeWalt 20V MAX XR Oscillating Multi-Tool. The DeWalt 20V MAX XR Oscillating Multi-Tool, DCS 356B, is a cordless, variable speed, brushless motor multi-tool designed for versatility, extended runtime, and professional performance in a wide range of applications, from cutting and sanding to scraping and precision trimming. Powerful brushless performance. Equipped with a brushless motor, this multi-tool delivers up to 57% more runtime compared to brushed motors, making it efficient for extended use and demanding tasks. The 3-speed selector gives you precise control over oscillation rates, up to approximately 20,000 OPM, helping match speed to the material and task. Variable speed and control. The dual grip variable speed trigger allows smooth adjustments on the fly, so you're not locked into a single speed, ideal for switching between delicate work, like detailed cuts, and tougher applications. Product 11. Product name Blue Genius. The DeWalt 20V MAX Reciprocating Saw, bare tool only, model DCS 380B, is a cordless reciprocating saw designed for general-purpose cutting tasks in construction, renovation, demolition, and DIY projects. It's part of DeWalt's 20V MAX cordless system, meaning the tool works with DeWalt 20V MAX lithium-ion batteries, sold separately, making it compatible with a wide range of DeWalt power tools. Key features. Power and cutting speed. The saw delivers up to 3,000 strokes per minute, SPM, giving rapid cutting capability across wood, metal, and composite materials when using the appropriate blades. Variable speed trigger. A variable speed trigger helps you adjust cutting speed to match material and task, offering better control and precision. Blade system. A keyless 4-position blade clamp allows for quick blade changes without tools, and lets you rotate the blade orientation for flush or awkward angle cutting. Product 12. Product name Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge. The Klein Tools 935 DAG Digital Electronic Level and Angle Gauge is a precision instrument designed for accurate measurement and angle setting in a variety of applications. Capable of measuring both 0 to 90 degrees and 0 to 180 degrees ranges. This tool provides quick and reliable digital readings for leveling, alignment, and angle verification tasks. Its digital display simplifies complex measurements, allowing users to measure and set angles with high accuracy, making it ideal for carpentry, construction, mechanical work, and DIY projects where precision is critical. Compact and easy to use, the Klein 935 DAG combines durability with advanced electronic functionality to ensure consistent performance in both professional and home settings. Product 13. Product name M12 Force Logic Press Tool Kit. The Milwaukee 247322 M12 Force Logic Press Toolkit is a cordless hydraulic press toolkit designed for making secure, leak-free pipe connections without soldering, brazing, or threading. It's part of Milwaukee's M12 Force Logic family, meaning it runs on the compact M12 battery platform and delivers professional-grade pressing capability for copper, PEX, and other metal pipe fittings. Key features and purpose. Lightweight and portable. At just about 3.8 pounds with a battery, it's one of the lightest press tools available, making access in tight spaces easier for plumbers and installers. Single-handed, inline design. The ergonomic form factor allows operators to use the tool with one hand almost anywhere they can fit their arm, a distinct advantage over bulkier press tools. Force Logic technology. Built-in electronics monitor and control the pressing force to ensure that every connection meets quality standards. A visual indicator confirms when a proper press is made and when the tool needs calibration. Product 14. Product name Dual Laser Engraver. A dual laser engraver is a laser processing machine that combines two different types of lasers in one system to expand the range of materials and effects it can handle. Instead of just using a single laser source, a dual setup typically uses two complementary lasers, each optimized for different tasks, allowing the machine to process metals and non-metals efficiently, achieve higher precision, produce color engraving and deeper marks, cut a broader variety of materials. With both lasers on board, the machine adapts to specific jobs without swapping laser heads manually, boosting productivity and versatility. Product 15. Product name Bolt Biter Screw Extraction Set. The GRWRENCH 4PC. Bolt Biter Screw Extraction Set 84787 is a professional-grade fastener removal toolkit designed to tackle stubborn, damaged, rounded, or seized screws and bolts, built for mechanics, industrial techs, and DIY enthusiasts. This set combines durable construction with an efficient design to make extracting difficult fasteners easier and more reliable. Key features and benefits. Tapered cutting edges. Each extractor has both tapered side and tip cutting edges that grip firmly into damaged fasteners for consistent extraction performance. High-strength steel. Constructed from robust alloy steel that delivers significantly longer service life compared to many competitive extractors, up to 50 times longer in demanding conditions. Bidirectional capability. The design allows the extractor to both loosen and tighten specialty fasteners when needed, adding versatility. Product 16. Product name DeWalt Table Saw. The DeWalt DWE7491RS is a robust and highly capable 10-inch job site table saw designed for professional contractors, serious woodworkers, and DIY enthusiasts who need power, precision, and portability in one package. It combines a high-performance cutting platform with a foldable rolling stand that makes setup, teardown, and transport on job sites easy. Power and cutting performance. Motor. Powerful 15-amp motor that delivers up to 4,800 revolutions per minute, enabling smooth and fast cutting through hardwoods, sheet goods, and other dense materials. Blade and rip capacity. Uses a 10-inch blade with a large 32.5-inch right-side rip capacity, allowing you to rip full-width plywood sheets and wide boards without difficulty. Cutting depth. Offers a 3.1/8 depth of cut at 90 degrees and 2.1/4 at 45 degrees, giving flexibility for bevel cuts and crosscuts on thicker materials. Product 17. Product name DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit. The DeWalt 20V Max Combo Kit, DCK 240C2, is a versatile and durable cordless power toolset designed to meet a wide range of drilling and fastening needs for both DIY enthusiasts and professionals. It combines two essential cordless tools, a drill/driver and an impact driver, into one convenient kit that's ready to use out of the box. Tools included: 20V Max Drill/Driver, DCD 771, features a 2-speed transmission, 0 to 450/0 to 1,500 revolutions per minute, for controlled drilling and faster drilling speeds. Powered by a high-performance motor delivering 300 unit watts out, UWO, making it capable of handling common drilling and fastening jobs. The 1/2-inch single-sleeve ratcheting chuck provides strong bit retention, and its compact, lightweight design helps in tight workspaces. Product 18. Product name Duratec 22-piece Ratcheting Wrench Set. The Duratec 22-piece ratcheting wrench set is a comprehensive automotive and mechanical hand toolkit designed to cover a wide range of fastening tasks. It blends SAE, inch, and metric measurements in one set, making it versatile for DIY, home repair, and light automotive work. Key features and build. Dual measurement coverage includes 11 metric sizes, 6 to 18 millimeters, and 11 SAE sizes, 1/4, 3/4, giving broad applicability for different bolt and nut types. High-quality construction. Each wrench is crafted from chrome vanadium, CRV, steel, a durable alloy known for strength and corrosion resistance. A mirror-polished finish further protects against rust and wear over time. Ratcheting function. The box end features a 72-tooth ratcheting mechanism, letting you turn fasteners with minimal swing arc, useful in tight or confined spaces.